Driving, always tracking.
Yes.
This is Next Weather.
If there is a positive side, the rain certainly made for cooler weather, but do we need to keep the umbrellas handy all weekend?
Yeah, I think we do. You know, we've been dying for these showers and storms to get here, and they're finally here. They do interrupt a little bit, and we don't like that on the weekend, but it's better than having hours and hours and hours the whole day into the 100s. By the way, we do shoot up. I mean, we get the early showers and storms, and the atmosphere recharges. You're 91 degrees already, so we could pop a few more showers for the rest of today. 104 is what it feels like. The high temperature we clocked at 95. The old record was 97. We've been pretty close to records, tying them, breaking them, and today not quite getting there, but still, look at Marathon, 98 degrees, hottest temperature recorded yesterday of 99, almost hit 100 there. Incredible, and that wasn't even factoring the humidity. When you do, it gets into the 111s. 89 right now in Fort Lauderdale, 91 Miami. So we've come down a bit, and that is, again, because of the showers and storms that developed. But once you get all that water on the ground and you get the sun back out, it evaporates and it becomes a steamer out there. 104, again, the current feels like temperature. Here is Next Radar Network, still picking up on a couple little showers. Most of the action is done. Still monitoring the storms across the interior. They can sometimes produce additional showers, as you know, that can come back at us here. The one lone shower right now with one lightning bolt. In fact, right in Homestead down towards Florida City. A little downpour developing right there with one of those outflow boundaries we just talked about. And there is the forecast for the rest of the evening. The model depicting a little more coverage through 6 and 8 o'clock. So we'll see if that materializes, but keep that in mind if you're going to be stepping out. Not going to be a washout for the evening at all, or for the weekend for that matter. It's just going to be downright hot, humid, and we'll get our cooling afternoon thunderstorms. Coverage looks pretty good, 50% for both weekend days. So we are going to see what we have been developing here the last few days. There you go through the afternoon. Morning activities through midday look good, and then between 3 and 6 o'clock we get our typical downpours, and those then will quiet down through the overnight, and we'll repeat heading into a Sunday with quiet conditions, and then we'll have a few showers and storms developing along the sea breeze and then pushing off to the east. So pretty standard forecast here for this time of year, Saturday into Sunday. So you have plenty of time outdoors to enjoy without getting those downpours. Tracking the tropics, we have Don. We talked about this yesterday. Subtropical storm Don, 2,000 miles away, just for perspective, from Miami right now. And it is, as is typical for subtropical storms, not very well organized here. It's elongated, and to me, it looks like it's developing a little cold front there. So it's kind of a hybrid storm, but it doesn't matter. It's not going anywhere. In fact, it's going to spin in place for a few days and not bother anyone. And the rest of the tropics are going to be quiet as a result of all the Saharan air that we've been talking about. The beach for tomorrow looks good. I think we'll have low rip currents. Just keep in mind, it is going to be a very hot day with temperatures in the 90s, and then the heat indices well into the 100s. There are your rain chances continuing through the weekend and next week at 50.